Good morning to all of you. So the today's topic is secure data transmission. Data transmission means whenever you are sending your file to anyone, so you have to be secure your data to your end and for that person who is receiving the data. What types of things we can do that? First one is authentication and authorization. Suppose you are uploading your details somewhere else, like Google Drive. You can save your pictures, you can save your videos, and you can save your data also, like Google Photos. So, if we are uploading our photos on Google Photos or in Google Drive, if someone see that videos easily, if someone can see that videos and that photos, so what is the meaning of our drive? This is a public drive, right? So Google create a very secure server for that things so that nobody can access that videos, nobody can access that your photos. If you will provide a authentication or authorization to anyone, you can add your friends or you can add your relatives or your family members, so they can see that because you are providing them the authorization and authentication. You have just give them the permission so that you can access that things. So same thing, whenever we are sending videos or maybe anything that can be in the form of data, so it should be very safe. Otherwise anyone can use your data and then they will just misuse that data. Authentication and authorization, it should be secure by yourself, not to be disclosed at anywhere where you think that it is not safe for my data. Next one is the intrusion detection system. Suppose you are just working in an office. Okay, so in that, so many areas or so many industries, they are not just putting the security in these systems. So if you have personally saved any information on the PCs, so anyone can access that. Who's connected with the LAN cable or with the internet cable. Without a LAN means the Wi-Fi, through the Wi-Fi. So they can access easily your information. So remember always, don't put your details on the desktop, because it is very easy to access your information. It should be posted in other drives. That drive should be locked or should not be shared to or anyone. If your drive or if your data is in shareable mode, so that who's connected with the LAN cable in that area, in that offices, that can access your system very easily. Okay, cryptography and the inscription. Cryptography is a word. It's a protocol. Suppose I am sending a message. I am sending a message to anyone. In that case, if this message, suppose in armies and security systems, means in defense areas, they are not sending a message in simple way. They will convert that words into a code. You have seen these things in the movies also. You have to be crack that code. Okay, I think you have seen a movie. I don't remember the name. Kick. Have you seen? In that who's are the actors in that? He just speak a word that is called the loser. If you have remembered that movie, if you have not seen, I am just telling you for your information. So in that, he just speak a name that is called a loser. But in that loser word, they have their flight number and the details where he is going. So that officer who is want to caught him, he just access that, he just decode that code, and then we will see that this person is going to Poland for this from this flight. This is the flight number. So that types of thing we can do in the cryptography. Cryptography means it this is the medium, we can just code that, we can just convert that words into the codes. आपका एक मैसेज जब सेंड होता है, so that message is converted into the codes. I will show you in the labs, whenever we are just going for the lab, I'll show you a message. That message will not end in a simple form. It will convert into the codes, and that code will transfer to your phone, to your PCs, like in the emails or the messages. And then you will see when you receive that message will again convert to your readable language, readable words. This is the technology, this is called the cryptography. Understand? This is very important topic. It can be come in the exam. Please remember that what is the cryptography. This is very important topic, cryptography, because the words is looking like Photoshop. The photo you are doing this, you are capturing the photos. Photography, okay, this words is looking like the photography. So you will see it may be related to the photography, but it is a cryptography. Okay, it means it can convert the simple message into the codes, and again it will convert the codes into a simple message. This is called the cryptography. Next one is the HTTPS protocol. Protocols means, I think, have you remembered that? What is the meaning of the protocol? Rules and regulations. Okay, what things we have to be followed when we are just surfing any website or when we are doing anything on the internet. Suppose if you are want to send a message, then you have to be understand what things should I follow, what things are not to be sent, what things I have to be do in that time whenever I am sending the message. Means that message not to be like nobody can see that message. First, if someone see that your message, they will think that it is very bad things. Means it can be a harmful for you, or if that are not related to with that topic that you are doing. Suppose someone is sending you a messages and that you don't like that messages. So means it is your personal opinion. You don't want to receive that message, so you can just appeal for that. This is also a crime. So okay, leave that. So this is the HTTPS protocol. HTTPS means, what is the full form of the HTTP?
Protocol.
Yes. Okay. And what is the meaning of S? Secure. Means you have seen a lots of websites on internet. You have seen some websites have a HTTP only under 2/ and then colon and then the www and that website name. Okay. Have you remembered in some sites that have a HTTP and some have the HTTPS? This is the difference between if the site have a HTTPS, so they don't have any secure server or any security in their server. So simple सी ट्रिक से कोई भी उससे आपके डेटा को चुरा सकता है in the simple way. But nowadays the browsers will made for that. If the websites, they will think that this website may be harmful for the users, so they will put a message on the first screen whenever you open that this site is harmful for your data and for you also. So whether you have to believe, or if you want to be entered, then go to the advanced. Advanced में जैसे जाएंगे, so you will see unsafe, advanced and bracket में लिखा होगा unsafe, means it is not safe for you. So if you want to be moved to that site, just click on to the advanced and it will just go to that website. Okay, so that means you are not secure. Your data, your identification, your privacy is not secure. Understand? So it should be there. HTTPS should be there on the websites. Next one is the password and the PIN numbers. It's a simple words. If you are making any password or making your PIN, it should be very lengthy. It should not be like company ने कहा है कि 6 characters का होना चाहिए. So don't use the 6 characters. You have to be those minimum 8 characters. And it should be mixed in the mixed format. Letters,
No.
numbers, uppercase, lowercase, okay, and the symbols also, special characters also. So means in the form of the hackers, a language is there, a line is putting in that section. If you have made a simple one password, means six characters, and that have only the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if someone is just cracking your passwords, they will take only 30 minutes to crack your password. Only 30 minutes. Understand? And if you will just put two letters, मतलब कोई भी दो वर्ड आपने कुछ भी जैसे A, B, C कुछ भी यूज कर लिया है, कोई भी अल्फाबेट आपने उसमें यूज कर लिया, this time will goes to the 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour. Maximum goes कितना भी जा सकता है. It's depend on the combination which you are using in the numbers. Suppose आप simply use करो 1, 2, 3, 4 A, B and आगे कुछ जो भी कुछ use करो, तो simply they can crack it. So remember one thing, and always use the minimum 8 characters, and it should be in the mixed form. In future, you will use the net banking and UPI code also. Please use as much as you can include the letters and the symbols in that section. If your parents are using that one, that things, so just tell them to change your password. Okay, I think you know or don't know. So a bank will change their password within 24 hours. शाम को कुछ पासवर्ड और था और सुबह को जब लॉगिन करेंगे that will change because security purpose. कुछ पासवर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो कि हर 30 मिनट्स में चेंज होते रहते हैं. In every 30 minutes they will change that password because the security is very useful. Because अगर किसी को पासवर्ड चेंज क्रैक करना है, so it will take minimum 30 minutes. पर जैसे ही वो 30 मिनट्स के बाद उसको क्रैक करेगा, तो सर्वर क्या करेगा? नेक्स्ट पासवर्ड अपडेट कर देगा, so nobody will access that thing. But hackers भी बहुत तेज हो गए हैं. They will just do that within 15 minutes. I think you are just seeing that news or reading the news. But I think you will just read a news before 2 years. 2 years before, a hacker will just hack a NASA website from their home from a simple laptop से. 2 घंटे में उसने नासा की वेबसाइट को हैक कर लिया था. And NASA have a higher security than compared to the other servers. सबसे तगड़ी सिक्योरिटी नासा और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट यूज करते हैं in this world today. If we are comparing to the all servers or websites, सबसे तगड़ी सिक्योरिटी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंड नासा यूज करते हैं. So hackers are also working. So many students are asking me how we can do the hacking. Hacking is a word of that hack means HACK, only 4 words. But if you will go for that, you will have to be think not to be simple. सीधे तरीके से सोचोगे, you will not do the hacking. Okay, leave the topic. Next one is the antivirus. It is also the very important part. If you have been using the Quick Heal in your laptop, are you using the Quick Heal, anyone of you? Mac is a very bad बकवास है. Remove that. McAfee is a free button. मेरे से कितने ले लो, मेरे पास इतने सारे हैं. So don't use that McAfee. It's a very unuseful. कोई फायदा नहीं उसका McAfee का. बहुत कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं प्रोवाइड कराता है. Try to use the Quick Heal or maybe Avast. ठीक है ना? Avast is very, it is free for 1 year. You can download it. Quick Heal is a paid version, but the benefit of the Quick Heal is far if we are comparing to the other antivirus. Cost भी low है and security बहुत high है. Suppose in the way of the antivirus, if you have a antivirus in your PC, so some antivirus will delete that file. Whosoever file have a virus. Virus means it's a junk file. इट्स अ जंक कोडिंग। वायरस कोई ऐसा नहीं होता है कि लग गया और बीमार हो गए, पीसी में कोई बीमारी नहीं करता है, बट इट कैन बी जस्ट स्टक योर स्पीड, इट कैन बी just stole your data, it can be delete your data, what etc. But if you will using the quick heal will repair that file. It will not delete that file, it will repair that file, and it will also provide you a safe banking and safe browsing also. It will tell you this site is not safe, don't to be go for that. Okay, if you will want to go, then you can go. I have already told you. Next one is the other ethical issues. Or these are the common one. First one is the intellectual property rights. Property rights तो सबको पता है ना, राइट वो सही वाला राइट्स नहीं है, these are the laws. ठीक है, किस चीज को हमें, कौन सी चीजें हमें करनी चाहिए, कौन सी चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए, सब इन द इंडस्ट्री प्रॉपर्टीज. Suppose you have listened about Tarak, no, not the name that who have done the share market में उसने घोटाला किया था, क्या नाम था उसका? दो एक वेब सीरीज भी आ रही है, I don't remember the name of that person. Harshad Mehta. Okay, he have he that cheat with the share market, so that types of fraud should not be there. He tell one thing, मेहनत हमारी और प्रॉफिट दूसरा ले जाता है. This is the law. अगर आपको कोई कंपनी अपने यहाँ पर बिजनेस करने दे रही है, तो आप क्या उस कंपनी को अपने अंडर में लेना चाहोगे? You are doing a job. You are getting the profit from that company. If the company is making the profit, then it will share with you. If you want to be a owner of that company, it is illegal. You have to be follow the rules. What rules we have to be followed? That should be there. If you will just breaking the rules, that means you are doing the cyber crime. Cyber crime means उसको पकड़ा था. Okay. Next one is the copyrights. Copyrights, it's a common word. We have already discussed on that in the previous classes and in this class also. Copyright means, suppose I have made a software. Okay, that can be anything. But suppose Manya just copied that software and she is using that without paying anything and without getting the permission from me. So that means she is just breaking the copyright rules. Copyright means आप उसका एक कॉपी का मतलब होता है, आप उसको कॉपी नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to be purchased or you have to be get the permission from that owner who is just making that, who is working on that. कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर्स ऐसे होते हैं like games are there, वो उनको क्या करते हैं, वो गेम्स को ट्रैक करके and they will made it for free for all. It is also a crime. Okay, understand the words of the copyright? Understand now, all of you? Copyright से मतलब समझ में आया? Okay. Next one is the software piracy. अभी right now this has been closed that things, but before 5 years or 10 years before, we have seen lots of CDs piracy, DVD piracy. They have purchased only a one DVD of a movie, and then what they can do that they will just copy that videos or movie in their PC, and then they are just uploading that movie to the or movie or CD or DVD movie को उसको upload करते हैं, and they are just selling that thing. This is the CD piracy. Same thing for the software. आपके पास कोई software you have purchased that. Okay, and then you are giving that things to that your friends or your relatives. That means you are doing the software piracy. Piracy word तो समझते हो ना सब? अरे किसी चीज की चोरी करना, एक चोरी कर रहे हो आप उसके सॉफ्टवेयर को. Means आपको सॉफ्टवेयर किसी ने पेड किया है. Means I am telling you something that is very confidential. Means आपको मैं कोई ऐसी information दे रहा हूँ जो कि you don't have to be share with anyone. First you have to be get the permission from me or you have to be paid for that. Pro version होते हैं ना Google Play Store पे you are seeing. You have download a light version. तुम बोले light और pro version तो समझते हो ना? So light version it can be used anyone, but pro version only used by that person that have the permission or that have the paid version. So you can't use that types of version. Okay, so remember that things. अब the types of the software piracy किस किस तरीके से हो सकती है? So soft lifting. अभी मैंने जो टॉपिक बताया था कि you will purchase a single license copy and then you will just transfer to your friends that copy. So this is the soft lifting piracy. Online uploading and downloading. Some softwares are available on the internet that are free, like Filmora. Filmora is very big software and it is very like we can say that it is very popular for video editors. But this is also the part of the piracy. सबसे ज़्यादा piracy जिसकी होती है वो इस तरीके के सॉफ्टवेयर्स की होती है. Okay, so don't be download that things or don't be upload that types of things. तमिल क्रैकर्स के नाम से है, एक तमिल क्रैकर्स के नाम से एक वेबसाइट है. I don't know the correct name. Okay, they have just doing the movie piracy. Okay, but if you have a copyrights, आपके पास उसके copyrights हैं, so you can just claim for that. You can file a case against that website. So what the cybercrime will do? Cybercrime, the police will just stop that, shut down that website, and then you will see that website will be closed. So this types of thing you should not be upload anything or should not be download anything. If you have downloaded, okay, so don't not to be disclose that things. Otherwise maybe you can stuck in that types of the laws. Okay. Next one is the software counterfeiting. In some software you just need to do some simple tricks and then you will see that software is free for you. How we can do that? Simply you just have to be knowledge about that. Yeah, how we can edit that software, how we can edit that the software license version. उस license version में थोड़ा सा जाके काम करना होता है, then you will see you will get the full version. So don't do that. These types of things. Next one is the OEM. What is the meaning of OEM, Priya?